Now we're going to learn how to make a great tasting cappuccino. Cappuccino is basically 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and the rest is foam. So the first thing we want to do is to pull our shot. Crap. I forgot to adjust the grinder back. Sorry.
Okay, action.
While we wait for our shot to pull through, we're actually going to steam our milk. So just fill the pitcher 1/3 because it's going to expand in the steaming process. It's really important to get some air into the steaming, but not too much so it doesn't bubble. Now when it comes to assembling the cappuccino itself, a great way to do it is to hold it first with a spoon to get some of the liquid part of the milk. And we're just gonna put 1/3 of the steam liquid milk, then we're gonna let go of the spoon and pour a little bit of the foam. And then just to crown it on the top, put a little bit of foam on top, so it's aesthetically pleasing. And that is one aesthetically pleasing cappuccino.